What is up, you Kalimbackers? You Kalimbackers, welcome back to me. Welcome to another episode of Kalimbanizing series, where I talk about Kalimba and I teach you something about Kalimba. I almost forgot my line. Alright, so you've seen the title. You might be looking for your first Kalimba or another Kalimba. I'm gonna help you with that. We will compare the sound of 4 Kalimbas coming up. Right, but before we move forward with this video, I'd like to say thanks to the sponsor of this video. And that's none other than me. Yeah, so for the last weeks that I was so busy, I did a video with some kids for a fertilizer company. They danced and they did this and that. And I did this and that. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'm gonna link it right here. And yes, I just started creating my own branding. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support and I keep learning. Thanks to my YouTube community as well. Let's go back to the video. Right, so today we will be comparing the sound of 4 Kalimbas. So if you are planning to buy one, this video might help you. I'm holding here K17K with EQ from Gecko. I have Lingting K17P. I also have here Gecko CAP or K17 Cap Kalimba, and one from Kimi. I just removed the fancy logo. But this is Kimi, yeah? What is up, you Kalimbackers? You Kalimbackers, Subscribe now and be part of the conversation. Check out my other videos and see if we are in the same interest. I'm also gonna give you some ideas about the prices, the materials they use, and the delivery that they are best for. I don't mean the delivery from Amazon, Shopee, or Lazada. I mean the attack of your Kalimba. So for example, you have hollow body. You know that this is louder than the rest of the Kalimbas, right? It means that you're buying a Kalimba depending on your own preference and purpose of using it. You may want to have your, spicing up your style in recording. It depends on the Kalimba that you're gonna buy. And I hope that this video will help you decide which Kalimba you're going to buy soon. So before we compare the sound of each Kalimba, I'm gonna take you on my screen to surf the internet. So the first Kalimba I'm showing you is K17 Cap of Gecko. This one is coming from Thailand. Prices of Kalimba really differ. It depends on the country where it's coming from. So in this case, I have here 700 baht for Gecko K17 Cap. So if I order this here, I'll get the following items that you see. So this Kalimba is made of camphor wood. It has a strong special aroma. Really, it has a smell. It doesn't smell bad. It smells good, but you don't really smell your Kalimba while playing it, do you? Anyway, if you order that, these are the inclusions, and yeah, I think this one is in key of B, but you can always adjust it or retune it to key of C. Right, so the next Kalimba is Lingting K17P. It's right here. This one is coming from China. It costs about $40. Alright, if you order this in this site, aliexpress.com, you will get the following items. This one is also in key of B, right? And it is made of solid wood, which means this is heavier than the previous one. All right, and I love this Kalimba because I like its resonance and overall quality in the design. It's just simple. For a person like me, I want simple stuff. So the third Kalimba I'm showing you is Kimi. This is made of acrylic material. This is not a glass, this is acrylic, which means this is more durable than the glass. In this site, Amazon.com, I think it's coming from US. You're getting it for about $55 right here. Okay, so prices of Kalimba differ from places to places, country to country, and it depends on the site that where you're getting it. This one comes with this one stand. All right, so really fancy. You will get the following items if you buy from this site. Acrylic material in C, so about 55. The best thing to do is to look first in your country before going to order outside. because you know you might just spend too much money if you order outside the country. But if the kalimba that you really want is not available in the local market, of course you can always order from outside the country. Right, so as for specification, I love this kalimba because first, the material is made of solid koa. I love natural color and it has a pickup, so that's, you know, the package that I want. Right, so if you want to know more about the kalimbas I presented, you may just check out the links below. This is a multi-directional condenser microphone, my girlfriend's microphone. It captures the sound from all corners, and we will use this to record the sound of 4 kalimbas, so you can compare it by your own. So I will play 4-1-5 improvisations using the 4 kalimbas. So let's do this. The smell of camperwood. It really has a smell and it smells good. This is Gecko K17 cup. Right, if you're looking for a budget kalimba and you don't want to compromise the sound quality, you go for Gecko K17 cup. The tines of this kalimba are wider than the tines of the other kalimbas that I have. It is cheaper than those kalimbas because first, they don't give you a hard case. It goes with soft case. So coming from the box, there's a soft case and you put it inside the soft case. Unlike Lingting and Gecko, they give you something like this. The sound of this kalimba is also sweet, good for recording or just a jam along. If you're a beginner or an intermediate player, you can use Gecko K17 cap. Alright, next we have here Kimi. This is Kimi, but I happen to remove the logo here for whatever reason. Okay, so by the way, the 4 kalimbas I'm presenting this video, in terms of sound quality, they are all quite decent. Anyway, as for Kimi, if you want fancy kalimba and you are so artistic in terms of visuals, you can create some lighting in the background. But if you bring Kimi outdoor and you play with your friends, you will barely hear Kimi because it doesn't sound that loud. And the ensigns of Kimi doesn't produce long resonance. But that's understandable because this is a acrylic. This is not a wooden kalimba. Alright, so now we have here Gecko K17K EQ or the Gecko with pickup. So if you're a performer and you need something like a built-in pickup, plug it in here, go into your effects to the amplifier, and then you can jam along with the band. And another thing about hollow kalimbas, as compared to flatboards and acrylic, this kalimba produces vibrato. They don't. So for example, you're putting your fingers like this, and then you do this time, and then you open and close this one, this hole. Yeah. So you're producing something, or just the main hole right here, the main of the hole of the sound box. You're able to produce these, you know, vibrations, and that adds to the dynamics of the music that you're going to produce using this kind of kalimba. Finally, we have here Lingting K17P. If you want to record sweeter music, use this one. That is based on my exposure with the instruments, the 4 kalimbas, because I can produce sweeter music here with my improvisation. You know, I cannot produce vibrato here, and this one is not loud. If you go outdoor, you play this, you will barely hear yourself playing. But with the hollow kalimba, you can bring it outside and use it there. This one is more into a studio recording. So if you have a condenser microphone, you have it all prepared, pre-production, and then production music, you have a sound pad. Sound pad sounds like this. And then you add the sound of your Lingting. And that will really sound sweet. Okay? And in post-production, you edit, you add compressor, you add reverb, you also cancel the noise. I hope this video helps you. And if you want to check out my other videos, I do videos about kalimba and ukulele. So, I'll see you around. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. Paalam. God bless.